Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, I'm gonna be decorating a quick table for one. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this is a quick reminder that the calendar of collaborations for July is already posted. So make sure and head on over to the community tab so you can see them. Write them down, guys, because you don't want to miss any of them. Now, I do also want to highlight that I am bringing some guests in twice in this month. So I am so excited because we're celebrating my birthday. So one of those times is on the 16th, and the guest for that day is May's Design Corner, and the theme is white and gold. Now, let's not forget July 30th, and we're bringing in two guests, and that's Juvilee and Denise Glam Style Living. And the theme for that day is blue and yellow. Now, I am really excited for this month, and we have quite a bit of collaborations. I am working on the flyers, so make sure, guys, and write stuff down. Now, isn't this an absolutely gorgeous glam tablescape? I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.